This video is sponsored by Mivi. Product link is given in description area. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to unbox Mivi Roam 4.2 Bluetooth speaker. This speaker is available in two color variant, grey and black. The pricing of this one is about 1700 rupees and further you can get it for some discounts. Now let's talk about some specifications. It has crystal clear sound with powerful audio. It is waterproof with IPX67 and easy to carry anywhere. Let's open the box. First keep this aside. Check USB cable, aux cable, user manual, charging port, aux port, microphone. These are the buttons from you can manage volume up and down, play, pause. Press power button for some time to turn on. So now connect Bluetooth. So check the sound quality. So increase volume.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on.
I hope you like my video, then subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit like button. Thank you.